2013 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to be doing the license plate lights. And to get to it, it's easy to just pop the trunk a little bit. Right above the license plate, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to remove these two plastic panels. And I'm replacing mine with some LEDs. We do the license plate and the reverse lights with these. Put a link in the description below. And we're just gonna twist this counterclockwise, pull straight out. There's our mini bulb. And then our mini bulb, we're just gonna pull straight out. If I can get it out. And just gonna take our mini bulb, push it in, just like that. And then take it, it's got the little notches on there, 4-quarter, take it, go backwards with it counterclockwise, and then forwards clockwise. Tuck your wiring back up. Line up your holes, push it in there, put your screws back in. Be super tight, just tight enough. You're all done. Do the other side. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description and show you what it looks like in the day here in a minute. And there we go, that's what they look like in the day. Anyways, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate it. Help out the channel. Thank you guys.